Santos, even all the way out into
So tiny.
GP worldwide. Hold tight.
That's the thing. You know, when you see like small, cute, like, you know, animals or babies, they're like so cute. It makes you smile, right? Now, like, another reason why having kids is like kind of scary is like, for example, I had Gina for one day and then I was like already so like careful with Gina, and then you know, I had Gina for one day but I was like kind of taking care of baby. Probably easier than actual baby, but you know, it was still quite like tiring. Of course, it made me very happy to have Gina, you know, but even for that one day, I had to like clean up his shit multiple times, pee multiple times, and then walk her, feed her, you know. And then also I was already.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God! Stop fucking lying.
Lying about what, dumbass? But anyway, you know, so a lot of like responsibility, and then already like fell in love with Gina after meeting 1 or 2 days, you know. Now imagine with kids, it would be a lot more, lot more responsibility and a lot more difficult. But also at the same time, as soon as that is your baby, then you're gonna love her or him so much that you won't even know what to do about, you know, baby. You will always be worried. Hi, thank you. Oh, thank you. You would always like be so worried about your baby, you know. So not just about responsibility, but also like, you know, you'd be so worried about the baby. That's the one thing that I would be worried about, you know. Like, your whole life is gonna be revolving around your kids. So, you know, you should be like completely ready to be committed. But I'm definitely not ready. Worry is good. It means you will care for. Yeah, of course. I think if I become mom, I'll be a very, very good mom. But you know, I want to be fully ready. From now on, thank you for gifting yourself. Thank you so much. But when will I be fully ready? I don't know.